Let's get it. Today we're talking about Biswap, how I stumbled across it, and why I think it's got such good potential for not only the near and immediate future, but long term as well. So let's go. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Crypto Cabin. My name is Tom, and in today's video we are going to be doing a deeper dive into Biswap and what it is all about for the Binance Smart Chain. If you're new to the channel, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and then click that little notification bell and select all so you get notified for when I post these new videos. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Like I said, super important to click that notification bell to get notified for when I post these new videos, because this video, for example, is actually quite urgent or has an urgent component to it. So Biswap it's not new, but for some reason, it just came on my radar fairly recently here. It's actually been out since back in June or July, of 2021. It's been over almost a year now. Hasn't really done a ton, I guess, since it launched. If you look at how it's done over here this is on the Binance chart, I guess right from launch it did quite well, obviously. So it went from 36 cents all the way up to just over $2. So that was about 5x there. Not as good as some of the other altcoins out there, but obviously still has some great potential. It's trying to do basically what pancakeswap does. However, right now, I think it actually maybe has more potential than pancakeswap. We've got a max supply here, whereas pancakeswap does not have a max supply anymore. Market cap is way smaller right now, and even the fully diluted market cap is a lot smaller than what pancakeswap's is right now. So if you were to go ahead and take a look at Cake, for example, check out these numbers, 250 million and about 800 million. When you take a look at pancakeswap, right now it's got 2 billion versus 5 billion. So we've got, if it's going to get up to this level or maybe even surpass it, you've got a 5 to 10x left in this project still, in my opinion, at this point in time. Another reason I'm super bullish on this and why you're going to watch me actually buy some on this video is that there is a launch that is going to be happening on Kucoin today, well, May 6th, 9 a.m. UTC time. For me, my time here would be 3 a.m. So what I'm going to do is try to purchase some now. It's kind of been a little bit of a downtrend today. Purchase some here, and then hopefully you'll see that when things get listed on Kucoin, typically they pump fairly quickly. So what actually got me onto this is I got an email from Medium Digest. It said making crypto money is stupid easy. I clicked on that link, and then one of the first things that he talks about is how important it is to set up multiple exchanges and multiple accounts. And one of the biggest things, or the first ones that he noted to go for was Kucoin. And I've known about Kucoin for a long, long time. I just have never bit the bullet yet. I don't know why. Finally bit the bullet, got a Kucoin account set up, and now it's really easy to go ahead and find new listings and where they are going to be. So once you've got your account set up on Kucoin, it's the regular, phone number or email, and then you got to go through KYC. This KYC was super, super fast. And so now once I'm logged in, I can now check out all these new listings and the things that are potentially coming up. So even once you navigate to the new listings section, you can do hot or new. I clicked on over to new, and these are the newest ones. And then up along the top here, you can see the ones, if you scroll over, you'll see the ones that are actually coming up. So there's actually, Biswap isn't the only one that's going to get launched tomorrow. It's H2DAO, FSN, and also the Step app that are all going to get launched on Kucoin. So maybe those are some other ones that you take a look into, but for today's video, we're just going to look at Biswap. Like I said, quite often when they get launched on Kucoin or any new exchange, there is a pretty big pump. So for example, this one, what's this, PLY or GST? So from here, the listing pumped up, 60-ish%. Not too bad. There were a couple other ones that did really, really well on this list. EPX, again, on listing, pumps up, that's not crazy, 25-30%. And then we got Decentral Games. This one I think did quite well on launch. You take a look here again. Again, over 100%. So there, that one's getting a little better. There was a couple here that were absolutely insane. I think B-Rise was crazy. But you can go ahead and look through all the most recent ones and see how they do on launch. But it's very, very quick. It's within that first hour. So if you can get in before or buy the token somewhere else beforehand, you could potentially trade it pretty quick after listing. So this one was, yeah, this one's almost 500, over 500%. So take a look at those. I mean, obviously nothing in crypto is guaranteed and everything is slightly risky. So make sure to go ahead and do your own research as always. But checking out Biswap itself, like super clean interface, I think they're going to compete with pancakeswap or potentially surpass it by the looks of things. Check out their team. All of their team info is down here. You click on more. You can check out everything about their team down here. They have a ton of features on here, which I am super pumped about too. So obviously there's the exchange portion here where you can swap whatever BNB you want for BSW. I'm actually going to go ahead and do that right now because I told you I would buy some live on this video. So we're going to go ahead, leave a little bit of BNB in there for transaction cost. And we're going to, first of all, make sure, I mean, it should be on the Binance Smart Chain, but make sure I'm on the Binance Smart Chain. Good. And then I'm going to go ahead and swap roughly $300. See what we can do. So we're going to go ahead and process that. And then I will try to get back on here at about 3 a.m. and we will see what we've got. So add it to there. Make sure it's in my MetaMask. Close that. And then we should have some BSW showing up in there. There we go. So that's what we got there. We're going to try to hop on and see if we can time it. And if not, hey, that's okay. Maybe I take some profits and maybe I leave some in. But this is a project that I am super pumped about. They also have a bunch of different farms with, once again, fairly high APYs or APRs. So you can come on in here and check these out. A lot more legit tokens than maybe, you know, some of the ones that have come on in the past. There's been a lot of protocols like this. There was one that I talked about a while ago called Guitar Swap that looked decent at the start, and then the team, it went super shady. So this one's been around for a little longer, and so they got a lot of legit coins on here, and they're giving out pretty decent APYs on them. They've got something called Launch Pool where you can simply just stake BSW. So you could stake BSW for multiple different things. You could earn Luna, earn PAE, earn XRP, or you can just stake it itself in the compounding pools and stuff like that. Very similar to how pancakeswap does work. And then you can also stake other tokens. They've got this fixed staking part, which is new, and you can earn wrap BNB. You could stake and earn ADA, and you can stake your dots. But this would be actually staking dot to earn dot, staking ADA to earn ADA, and pretty decent APYs. I've currently been staking my dot with Celsius for about a 9% APY, and so I could potentially, I'm definitely going to look into bringing it over here. Looks like this 90-day one is full at that 19%, which is a pretty good APY for dot. So I might bring it over here if there's still room and try to get 13%, which is a little bit more than the obviously 9% is that I was getting on Celsius. They also have IDOs, so you can take a look at different things that are going to get launched over here, walking through how to participate and all that stuff. And it's NFT Launchpad. They've got GameFi, which is basically like a Squid Games thing, which I just checked out. You can check it out yourself. NFT earning. And then another thing that I think is super cool, and I'll put this link in the description below. If you'd like to support the channel, it would help out a ton. If not, that's totally fine. You can start your own thing and refer your own friends and start your own referral network. But they do have a referral system where you get 10% of your friends' swaps, 5% on their farms, 5% on their pools. So that's pretty cool as well. They also have, if you want to gamble a little bit, they've got this lottery going on, and the next one is right now and then going to happen in the next 9 hours. So I guess for me that would be at 10 p.m. my time, and whatever time yours is. I guess I'm on Mountain Time. So you can buy as many tickets as you want. Buy tickets. You have to spend BSW in order to buy it. And then if it's, let's say I did max, say I did 309, you get a slight discount. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to. I want to see how BSW performs tonight when it gets launched on Kucoin. But that is another option. You've got a lottery option. There's different competitions. And then when you scroll on down here, charity, right now they're doing some Ukraine relief, which is awesome. And then a bunch of different analytics and stuff you can check out from them. So like I said, reasons to be bullish right now with the Kucoin listing coming up, in my opinion, and then also future. I think they are doing a lot of things as good, if not better than pancakeswap. They've got a lot of options on here as well. Love the lottery system and the referral program that they've set up here. So like I said, the link to that will be down in the description. Keep an eye on this token tonight. This is, well, depending on what time you're on the world. It's May 5th right now where I am. It's launching May 6th at my time. It'll be launching at 3 a.m. I believe. So that is in a little less, by the time this video gets up, it's probably going to be a little less than 12 hours, or right around 12 hours-ish until this gets launched on Kucoin. So that's why you just saw me purchase a few BSW tokens live, and we'll see how that play goes. That is it for today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to the channel, like I said, please scroll on down, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, then click that little bell notification and select all so you get notified when I post these new and more urgent updates. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate each and every single one of you. I'll see you next time in the next episode from the Crypto Cabin.